This facility in the southwest of England is revolutionising the way we explore, predict, and plan for the future. In a rapidly changing world, the way we visualise and simulate environments is becoming increasingly important. From first responders preparing for tomorrow's emergencies, to researchers working towards safer cities, and architects shaping the urban landscape, all rely on realistic digital environments to test scenarios before they unfold. The University of Bristol's state-of-the-art reality emulator at the Bristol Digital Futures Institute was developed with global technology partners ClearLED and Mechdyne. It features a 360-degree immersive, room-scale visual environment that surrounds users with seamless, ultra-high-resolution imagery and accurate spatial audio.
BDFI's mission is to do digital innovation differently, to address some of the major social concerns that arise when we introduce new technologies to society. The Reality Emulator provides us with a completely different way of doing research. Some of the technology that underpins it is similar to things like headsets, but headsets are of course a very individualized experience. What we can do in the Reality Emulator is bring together groups of people to work collaboratively. And you also have to remember this is a research lab, so we have all kinds of technology fitted out within the Reality Emulator to collect data on what people are doing within that space.
Having been completed in late 2024, the room has already started making a real impact.
We are looking at trust in human-robot teaming.
We're putting people into a firefighting search scenario where they're imagining that they're looking for gas leaks in a London hotel. We're interested in the dynamics of trust between the firefighters, the humans, and their robot helpers.
So the drone told us that that room should be checked, right?
We wanted to take people into new places, new situations, potentially dangerous situations that you wouldn't be able to put human participants into.
The Reality Emulator enabled us to host people in immersive spaces, explore the relationship between humans and robots, and see how the trust develops. This is that moment where you can tease it out, really, because there is a noise and you can tell maybe this is the leak, but the drones are saying nothing.
The academics' vision for this world-first technology was both ambitious and timely.
We were combining a curved LED screen in an immersive cave with its own data center that would enable us to drive really high-powered immersive experiences.
The curved screen wasn't available years ago, and so the timing was perfect as the technology evolved and matured enough to be able to use it for this application.
Typically, direct view screens tend to be flat, so when our engineers were able to work out that they could actually make a curved screen, that was a groundbreaking situation for us.
One of the special things about this project is how we map real-time rendered graphics on a smooth, curved surface, which is something that's very difficult to do in computing. If we didn't figure it out visually, you would have been taken out of that immersive experience.
I think we're just beginning to dip our toe into the possible functionality of this facility.
In my opinion, this is the future of academia. This is what academia should be doing.
The sky's the limit on creating more immersive, more challenging environments for people to experience.
It's an incredible privilege for us to be trusted with developing a project like this, something that's going to go on to impact and benefit the lives of millions of people across the world.
The possibilities really are endless. I sit next to this incredible piece of technology. It is influencing how I think and how I go on to scope projects, to imagine new ways of using this technology. It's an inspirational space to be working next to and within.
This is a game changer. We are really on something, on a new ground here.